morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Today I am making my fall junk journal. It'll last until whenever it lasts, I guess. If I have to make 2 falls, that's okay. If it goes into winter, that's okay too. But I'm using an old piece of poster board that has some paint on it, and I thought I would use a piece of felt to go over this because you can feel that bump a little bit, and I thought it would give the front cover some texture. So I'm going to glue that down to the cover, and then I'm going to use this as my cover, and this is going to be my spine. So let's glue this down. I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac. It might seep through, it might not, I don't know. We'll see. I don't think it matters if it seeps through. It's going to be covered with the fabric. And for most of this video, I'm going to just be quiet and do it. I might, write some things on the screen if I feel I need to explain something. So that's actually pretty good. It didn't seep through either. You just see a little piece like that. So I'm going to measure my fabrics to fit, and then I will come back and you can start seeing how I make up this journal. this is my latest journal that you saw me create. It's what it looks like all dry and done. I don't know if you could tell that I got some glue on here because I started gluing it on as the back cover, but it really needed to be the front cover because I put that felt under there, and I didn't have felt for the back cover. So anyway, it looks okay. You can feel it, but you can't really see it that well. And then here are my 3 signatures, and I'll just flip through them real quick so you can see the papers. Trying to use up all my old papers that I have before I buy any new ones. I love this one. Okay, that's it for that one. I think this one I'm going to have be first because I kind of like this one the best. Oh, I think this might be upside down. I'm not sure if it makes a difference. Maybe it doesn't make any difference. I don't know. We'll see. Nope, it's not upside down. So there's the pages. And what I wanted to do today is decorate a few of the white pages with dots, with polka dots, using my dot stickers, or not dot stickers, dot markers. And maybe putting a few stickers. I got these stickers at Walmart. Aren't they adorable? Let's see. So I love these. It's 2 of each one. I already used a couple in my other journal. And then I have a whole bunch of little creatures here, stamps, that I thought I would decorate some of the pages with. Now, my signatures all have their tabs sewn on. I just showed a little bit of that. I didn't want to show the whole thing. And they're ready to be sewn into my covers. Alright, so this is what it looks like all done, and it's beautiful, but it never gets easier no matter how many times I do it. I always screw up somehow. And so this is what it looks like. First signature, second signature, third signature. And I might try to put some kind of focal point on here. I don't want to cover too much of the fabric up though. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.